Hey guys, Mr. Haque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Aomees LED torch. It's a very good price, £10. And yeah, let's go ahead and open this. Come in the plain box. Comes out like that, simple as that. Bam. These are rechargeable torches. That's why I'm very surprised at the price. Oh, it's a lot smaller than my other one. It does look a bit cheaper as well, but it does the job. So it does the job and it's at a great price, so I'm not really asked, as long as it does the job. Don't know if they give you batteries included. Let's see. Oh fucking hell, they did. These guys are lads. Okay, but yeah, I can tell it's a bit cheaper quality, but it's not a big issue. Let's get them out of the way. Get two normal shitty micro USB ones. I'm saying shitty because this is very poor quality ones, but yeah, it does the job. I probably won't be using these. They'll just be kept as spare. Yeah, you got a belt clip there. These are zoomable, like most torches nowadays, because that's a good feature. That's not very tight. Okay, so that says input 5 volts. So basically you charge it there, and this takes a 18500 battery, I believe. So you got two for £10, which is £5 each. Yeah, 18500 battery. Don't, it doesn't have a brand. Not a big fan of no branded ones, so cause you don't know what might be anything wrong with it, anything. Because it could, since you are charging it, it could blow up. You don't know, you just don't know. But I'm glad they included that. Use a Cree LED. Not sure what it is. There's the magnifying glass, as you can see. Let me take it off. So that's the one input bulb. Output bulb, whatever you want to call it. That's the magnetic. That's pretty cool. Closed off. Sorry about the sound. That's tight as it goes. Wow, there's a massive gap there. So yeah, both torches there, side by side. This fucking flap is quite loose. Yeah. So yeah, you got green light there. As you can see, they're very powerful. It's daylight now, so you won't be able to see much. But yeah, these are quite powerful. But they definitely do feel a bit cheap. But for the price you're paying, it's very good quality. And yeah, I feel the heat already with these. Wow. Okay, these fucking, yeah, I told you this rubber part is very bad quality. Just keeps coming out. But yeah, it's not a big issue. Look at the two different tones in the greens. Can you see this one's a bit brighter and greener. This one's more darker. It's weird, but yeah, that's just how it is. Even the LED lights, that's a bit more yellow, that's a bit more white. It's not a big issue. Just two LEDs. Right, so you press it once, you go to medium setting. Second, oh no, wait. High, medium, strobe. Does it only have two settings? What happens if I hold it? These are all the modes, I think. High, medium, no. So it only has a high, low. It doesn't have a medium setting. This torch. Let's double check with this one. Low, yeah. High, low, that's it. So it all has two modes. But I'm really liking it. Very good touch. Zoomable. Let's show you that. So far distance, it gives a good throw with that. But yeah, £10. Amazing, guys. The one I have, that's fucking command. There you go. It is what it is, but it's pretty cool quality. I like it. I was gonna say, the one I do have at the moment cost me 20. When I did buy it 2 years ago, it cost me 20 something pound just for the one, and it's a bit bigger than this, slightly bigger. It uses the same LED bulb, same battery as well, same chargeable thing. But the build quality is such better. The company is called Jolly Joy. Check it out if you want. I've done an unboxing of it before. They sponsored me for that video. It does cost £20, but I got it for free. So yeah, win-win any day anyway. But yeah, I bought this for my car. If you haven't checked out my car playlist, go check it out. And yeah, anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.